Hi loves! So in today's video I will be showing you guys how I get this fun, bouncy, very voluminous, very effortless look of like curls. Perfect for the summer, perfect really for any time. If you get really good at it, this could be like a 5-minute hairstyle. It does use heat, and I know that in the summer we are very opposed to heat, but sometimes you just need like a quick and easy hairstyle. Super easy, super simple. If you want to learn how to do it, how to have these fun, bouncy, voluminous hair for the summer, keep watching. I'm just going to use a comb and I'm going in between my eyebrows to part my hair down the middle. My hair is also layered in the front and then it like goes down, and my hair is longer than the first time I discovered this hairstyle. In my opinion, it doesn't look as good as when your hair is like shorter. So if you have shorter hair, this is like the perfect hairstyle for you. I swear by it. Now that I parted my hair, you could brush your hair just so everything is like nice and smooth. When I'm in a rush, I don't brush my hair. I also don't part my hair. You could part your hair, but I think that takes way too much time. I'm also using a Numi hair straightener. You can use any hair straightener. This one honestly kind of sucks, so we are going to have to deal with it. So I parted my hair and now I kind of have two sections of hair. I know that you can't see the bottoms of my hair. My hair is very long, but this works for any hair length. Once your straightener is heated to whatever temperature it gets at, I always start on the left side of my hair. Left, right. I always start and end with these little bang pieces. Mine is like super long now, but you're going to take your hair straightener, and this one is on the left side of my head, and you're going to go at the very top and you're going to iron it away from your face. Go kind of slow, and it does this like nice like swooping motion. Sometimes you'll need to do it again, and you're gonna do a similar thing on the right side of your head and doing it the exact same by flicking it outwards towards the right side of your face, just so that it kind of like swoops. So when you're curling your hair, you often have a top half and a bottom half. So going to the left side of your hair, take a chunk from the bottom half of your hair, and again, you could part your hair. I don't because I'm lazy, but you could, just to make your lives easier, but you could honestly do it without it. I'm gonna take my straightener and I'm going to flick upwards about 45 degrees up, and your hair will kind of flick up, and your first kind of curl will just look kind of like a backwards J. And then you want to grab a section from the top half of your left side, and you're going to want to do the same kind of motion. So you're going to do it upwards like this, about a 45-degree angle, and just kind of go all the way down. So both the top half and the bottom half of the left side will flick upwards. So the next section of the bottom, you are going to straighten inwards so that the J will kind of be on the other side. And you just kind of want to rotate between flicking up and flicking inwards so that it doesn't look so static, and you have kind of a more natural variation to your hair. So each piece will either swing inwards or swing outwards. I am going to finish the left side of my hair and I will catch you guys in a bit. Okay, so now I am on the last section of my hair, and remember in the beginning when I flicked this one outwards, so this one I want to flick inwards, and I want to make sure that this one flicks inwards so that you could really tell the separation between the two, because you don't want it to be the same way. It really doesn't matter for the bulk of your one side of your hair, but for the beginning and the end where your bangs meet, you do want to flick it in the opposite direction so that you can really tell and the definition is good. So this is what my hair looks like. It looks very voluminous, very bouncy, very playful, and that's kind of what we are going for. So I'm going to do this exact same thing on the right side of my hair. And there we go. So now my hair is very bouncy, very voluminous. I like to give it one of these like hair zhuzhes at the top of my head. And then if your bangs have kind of deflated, you might want to go back in and do the exact same sweeping motion so that everything just looks nice and pristine. But that is basically it. Super easy, super simple. If you get really good at it, it could take like 5 minutes. It's very bouncy, very cute, gives me very kind of more modern 80s vibes. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, follow me on all my socials, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Look up at the sky, ask it why are you all so afraid?